Hello guys, let's start with coming week weekly outlook. So we will go through by the news first. Let me check what are the news we have on this week. So I have updated this this news details on the Discord. So this is CPI week actually, and earlier is used to CPI used to come on Wednesday, middle of the week. Now it is scheduled to Friday. So this is first time I am seeing this thing. So okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday throughout all this, early of the week, also the midweek there are no news. Only the Friday we have majority of the red folder news. So this is quite interesting. We'll see how this week is unfolding. So sorry. Now, what are the crosses? Crosses in EU and GU is decent week actually. Monday, Tuesday there are no news. Wednesday we have red folder. Thursday, Friday also we have news. So yeah, some volatility I am expecting on the GBP JPY and Euro JPY. So this is what news we do have. But in the US pair, we need to stay cautious because this is the first time I'm seeing. I don't know how this how the volatility will affect because this is unusual. Earlier is used to come on Wednesday, so we have Thursday, Friday that CPI volatility we have, but this time this is it's at the end of the week, so we'll see how these days are performing. So let's come to the chart. So I'll go by these six pairs. So first I'll start with the DXY. So let me check what is the monthly candle is doing. My internet is a bit slow today. Why this is happening? Okay. So monthly is currently reacting from this previous, month high, but we have the bias to the upside to the to the this high, because also if you see this is the range. We swept one side of the range. Now we will target the another side of the range. Okay, this is monthly candle, and we don't have to bother about this because we are not trading position, position trade. We are trading only just one 4 hour candle. So we just want to know where the daily wants to expand. This is all we want. Okay. Why the internet is slow? Okay. So what do we have on weekly? Weekly we sweep the range low. We can target the range high. And last week is the inside bar. Also, if you see, we are rejecting off of this down close candle. This is what order block. This is why this is an order block because it retested this previous order block. Okay, so this is also an order block, and we are respecting this previous weekly order block. So I am expecting price should expand towards this high as well as this high. These are two close highs. So in the lower time frame, it is a low resistance liquidity. So we can target in the coming week this high. So this is the target. Okay, let's continue. I had to check my internet. It was not so good today. So yeah, I was telling I have bullish bias. I have bullish bias on dollar, and I am expecting price should continue towards this highs. Okay. So on the daily, what do we have? Daily has a C2 closer. If you see, this is a reversal candle. It came to this fair value gap, also to this weekly order block. And what it did, it closed inside the range. If you see, this was I was talking. This is equal highs, low resistance liquidity. We can target. Okay, the first target will be this daily fair value gap. if you disrespect this daily fair value gap, we will target this highs. Okay, so let's see if the if change in state of delivery is established or not. Change in state of delivery is not established. Price should close above this down close candle. But we do have the fair value gap, and price should respect this fair value gap to continue to the upside. Okay, so on 1 hour, yes, 1 hour we have V-shape reversal. If you see expansion in, expansion out, sorry, expansion out and expansion going in. So this is what change in state of delivery, price respected and expanded. Also, this is consolidation, so I am expecting price should come revisit this daily fair value gap and took this range low. Okay, then we can expect some kind of continuation. Like I mean to say, I'm expecting week should form here. Okay, weekly week. But this thing also we need to keep this in mind. So price is so close near to this highs. So generally it can sweep this high and continue to the downside. We will see how this Monday candle is forming. Based on that, we have to decide what to do. Let's not think about so ahead. Okay, this is my idea. But majority I am bullish on the dollar. Okay. Yeah. So expecting Monday some kind of continuation, or Monday can expand also. So here also we have some resistance are there, but that does not mean price cannot continue. Okay, so weekly if we are expecting bullish price action, so daily will give some kind of rejection, but still it can push to the upside. Okay, let's come to the Euro USD. If we are expecting bullish on dollar, so generally this this Euro USD and GBP USD should go down. So this is the idea. On the monthly is a kind of expansion candle. If you see, we already set this range high, so now we can expect price should continue to this range low. Now it is rejecting from the previous monthly low, but that is not of our concern. We will see the daily price action. So what happened actually? uh, yeah, this is not so nice close. If you see, this is what this is some kind of indecision candle. Same week, see both side week, are of same size. So some kind of indecisions are there. But if you are expecting dollar should go up, then Euro USD should go down. If you see, there are SMT here, but now it is like equal lows. Okay, so this could be the nice target if it wants to continue to the downside. This could be the nice target. If you come to the daily, see this equal low. Okay, so this could be the nice target. And yeah, we are forming some kind of reversal candle here. This is candle to closer. We swept previous candle high and close inside the range. Okay, so from where we are reacting, let's suppose there is a daily gap, or volume imbalance is there. Not volume imbalance, it's a gap. Okay, so price is rejecting off of a key level, daily key level, and what it did, it closed inside the range. So what will be the expectation? Expectation will price should continue to the downside. Okay, but the first resistance will be this daily fair level. The better opportunity will be if price should come, give some reaction and fail. When this reaction will fail, we can look to short to the downside. Okay, so this will be the target. If price wants to continue to the downside, this is the first thing. So yeah, bearish on the Euro USD also. Let's come to the GBP USD. What do we have here? Internet is too slow. Okay, so what are we seeing in the GBP USD? GBP USD, GBP USD, yeah, we have SMT here, first of all. Okay, we have SMT. And so we are expecting, same. GBP USD is weaker, and this is the equal lows. So monthly, this is the equal lows with fair value gap could be the nice target. And from the weekly, what do we have? We have SMT here. If you can say Euro USD didn't took this low, but GBP USD took this previous candle low and closed to the upside. This is like bullish close. So we need to keep this in our mind. And also there are a lot of liquidity here. If you see, these are all liquidities, so could be the easy target. You are getting my point. So now I'm not telling we will look to buy GBP USD, because Until the dollar confirm it wants to continue to the downside, we cannot buy. Okay, the buy this GBP USD. Okay, so we need to wait. Here weekly, I don't see anything. So what do we have here? So let me just mark this thing. Okay, what do we have here? We swept some lows. Okay, we have SMT here. We swept some lows. Close above this down close candle on the daily. So this is what? This is order block. Now price came to this daily fair value gap. Okay, so on the daily it's showing some bullish price action because we have some framework here. What framework? Price came down, swept low. Low is what? Low and high are key level. Price aggressively close above this down close candle. That means what? This is the order block. Bullish change in state of delivery. Okay, now what happened? We formed the fair value gap. This candle it came down, reacting from the daily fair value gap. Also if you see, we already swept this previous candle low. So this is candle 2 closer. On the daily itself, it is showing some bullish price action. And also this candle took previous candle high as well as previous candle low. So I don't know what will happen. We have to wait. Okay, we have to wait to see what this GBP USD will do. Now there is no bias. Okay, daily it is bullish, weekly indecision. So not clear. So we need to wait. Also some low resistance liquidity. If you see are here, these are some low resistance liquidity. So it can do. Also we swept some lows, so we can expect new phase of delivery, new phase of price action. So we have to wait for Monday to see what this daily candle, what this weekly candle wants to do. So I don't have any bias on the GBP USD. Let's come to the GBP JPY. No, first let's come to the gold. Gold as always bullish bias. Can't do much about it. Let me see weekly. Nothing. Okay, gold we have bullish bias, and also what we are doing, we are reacting off of previous candle low, and this is the candle to closer. Also this candle to previous candle high, same like GBP USD, but it's showing momentum to the downside, something like this. But that doesn't make sense. We are bullish. See, this down close candle is thick body, but does it reverse the price? No. So it is not a nice idea to think, okay, now we can continue to the downside until and unless daily price action and weekly price action show some bearishness. Okay, so I will stay bullish with that gold. And the main thing is see these highs. See these highs are equal highs. Price generally don't reverse from something like this. Okay, these are fake top. So we can expect price should continue and take those highs. Okay, and what we did, we closed, we came to the daily fair value gap and we close candle 2. This is H4 candle 2. Okay, so I am expecting price should continue to the upside. Okay, let's see if there is any SMT or not with silver. Yeah, we do have SMT here also. Yeah, gold is nice. Gold is nice for continuation move. Okay, so what I am expecting? I am expecting Yeah, this I am expecting price should continue to the upside. Maybe the this is the first resistance we will encounter. This is the H4. When price will surpass this resistance, that means what? Price will react. Okay, then we'll take this rejection. Then there will be smooth target to this upside. Yeah, bullish on the gold also. Let's come to this GBP JPY. What we are doing? GBP JPY. I feel like we had some nice price action going on. So this candle is a expansion candle monthly. Now the target is this high. If you come to the weekly, what do we have? Weekly is rejected from where? From this gap. This is the weekly gap. Okay, we rejected from here. See if there is some kind of SMT with Euro JPY not. Euro JPY. Also we have news on the GBP and Euro. So this could be a good move, on this JPY, GBP JPY, because we have volatility on this week. Volatility driver. See, we have SMT. No, we don't have any SMT. So now, looking at this rejection, I am expecting price should form the week, within this week. previous candle weak, and it should expand to this high. This is the target I have in my mind. So on the daily, what do you have? Any confirmation, expansion to this consolidation? Now what we did, we swept this range low. Now the minimum target is range high. First target, then this is the final target for the week. A really nice price action. I am really expecting it should expand. And do we have any kind of SMT? No, we don't have SMT, but one thing I will tell you here, we have PSP. PSP means what? Precision swing point. This is a Garrett concept. And what we have, if you don't have SMT, but if you see, we have what? Euro JPY close a bearish candle and GBP JPY close bullish candle. Okay, this is another form of strength switch. Okay, so if there is no SMT, we can look this thing also. So here we form the bearish candle. Here we form what? The bullish candle. So if price wants to expand, Euro GBP should catch up to GBP GPI, because this is a bearish candle. That means there is some kind of weakness. So Euro GPY should catch to this GBP GPY, and I'm expecting what will be the invalidation if we close below this low. And Monday also I am expecting some kind of continuation move, and price should form the week above this, 50% of the week of previous candle, and it should expand. And this is also the week of this weekly candle, and I'm expecting some kind of expansion. If price will expand, that would have been, good opportunity to look for long for in GBP GPY and target those highs. And yeah, also if you see this is bullish, and also bullish prices also we are rejecting from, previous highs. So this is a bullish price action, if you say. Yeah, really interesting price action in GPY. So I'm expecting Monday, Tuesday should form the low of the week, and price should expand. Let's see the 4 hour. What do we have? Yeah, 4 hour we have the confirmation also. We have bullish change in state of delivery on the 4 hour here. Okay, so I don't want price should invalidate or revisit this low, and it should expand to this highs. The clean equalizer there. Really good price action. Like from all those pairs, I feel like this is so much clear. This GBP GPY. Okay, I'll whatever the trade I'll take, I'll do, that review and update on the YouTube as well. This week I'll try to become consistent, and I will only look to trade New York. So this is my plan. So let's see how this week is playing out. Okay, thank you.